everything that you've done.
Everything that you've done, oh yeah, yeah. Everything that you've done, thing that you've done. My God, you are so good. For everything that you've done, where would I be if it wasn't for thee? For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all.
Everything that you are, thing that you are. Father, I love you for everything that you are.
All of my days I will worship and praise, King of the world. Your glory fills this place. Glory fills,
Glory fill,
King of the world. Your glory fills this place.
oh yeah.
Your glory fills, your
Glory fill,
King of the world. Your glory fills this place. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Glory, glory, I do to earn this love? I don't know. Love me way before I could love myself. I'm ever grateful, ever thankful to you, oh my God, for your love and for your blessings you showered from above. My ever present, 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 oh Lord, my ever present, I'm living in the wonders of your mercy, and I cannot turn away. No, 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 no. Every time I thought I'd give up, you've always showed up right on time. I'll never doubt you, never. I'll trust in you forever. Because you live, I can face tomorrow. Whoa, whoa. My ever present, 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 my ever present. Nobody knows, only you, God. Lord, oh how you saved my soul and called my heart your home. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. You're there for me. When I call you, answer me. There is nothing I could need, and you are here with me. Oh, I will keep my gaze on you. I know you see me through, but I put my trust in you, yeah. Jesus, my ever present, my ever present, east to the west and sugar. My ever present, from the north to the south and sugar. My ever present, my ever present, my ever present. Time will pass away, but your word will never fade. Many generations passed, but your kingdom forever lasts. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. Hallowed be your name. Every morning when I wake up, your word is my next stop. I could stay here for the rest of the day. Cause in your presence there is wholeness, joy in its fullness, and I won't have it any other way. Yeah. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, I give you praise. Hallowed be your name. You are my God, ancient of days. Hallowed be your name. Hallowed be show you my affection. I tried in every way. I tried a million ways to show you my affection. I tried in every way to sever every tension. I do not count your wrongs. I see no imperfections. Oh yeah, yeah. Baby, you know I love you. Baby, you know I care. Baby, you know I told you that I will always be there. Baby, you know I love you. Baby, you know I care. Oh, my love won't go away. My love won't go away. My love is here to stay. My love is here to stay. My love will never change. My love will never change. Forever be the same. Forever be. Baby, you know I love you. Baby, you know I love you.
Baby, you know I love you too, and I'll put nothing above you too. Nothing, not height, no depth, no creator thing can take me away from you. And I will run from you. No, I won't hide from you. And my love won't die, and it will remain forever true. When I'm alone and I'm down and my heart feels lonely, I know you'll never leave me. Yeah.
I know you're faithful and so true. Every time you always come through, yeah. I will always put my trust in you, 'cause you're so true, so true, so true. Baby, you know I love you. Baby, you know I care. Baby, you know I told you that I will always be there. Baby, you know I love you. Baby, you know I care. My love won't go away. My love won't go away. My love is here to stay. My love is here to stay. My love will never change. My love will never change. Forever be the same. Forever be. Baby, you know I love you. Baby, you know I love
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know that there's a YouTube Music app where you can also listen to the EDM version, the ska version, and of course,
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with
What's up, chat? Good morning.
Instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty because he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me. Pray for YG. Pray for PC. Pray for TC. Pray for Reem. HJ and Clean. India and Ty. Forever be the squad.
What's up, everybody? How's everybody's doing? What's up? What's up? Pray for me.
a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shacko, the handicapped fool. Pray for my
What's up,
enemies, man.
Emmanuel? What's up? How you doing? How you feeling?
Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym, even when the results ain't showing.
What's up, everybody? Shout out to 4 viewers right now. How's everybody's doing?
That's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then
How's everybody's doing? What's going on, chat? Daily time frame on goal. Let's see. Oh, we have gap. 1000 pip move. Makes sense. We have gap here again. Gappers. Gappers. All right, let's do the top down analysis here. Some top down here. So, we spoke about this daily candles starting to hovering around here on price, right? This one, right? So we start to hover here, and we spoke about once this candle rebroke the previous candle, though, this candle should shoot down here heavy like this, right? And it happens, right? We rebroke all the low here. We rebroke the structure on the left hand side. And you know what's the good thing here? Look at the structure on the left hand side here. Look at this, right? Look at that. Look at this. And look at this. There is similar, right? There's some similarity about the candle closure. The patterns, right? So you need to understand the patterns. You always need to look on the left hand side. So right now, it's kind of look the same. And resistance, and right now resistance here. We rebroke the structure on the left. We rebroke the structure on the left. So right now, let's see if we can grab, or we can push heavy on this kind of candles, right? Let's see if we can flip. Because if this candle flip, man, there is a high chance that we can retest again here, this 4,880 area. But right now, I don't know if we can move, but let's see. Weekly candles are moving. We tap the minor levels on the price here. The daily is the key. We don't have any top wick too. I mean, we don't have any bottom wick on price. No bottom wick, so we might see some bottom wick here and all. Right? So yeah, let's see for our time frame. For our time frame, we have new resistance form, but the candles are getting small. Support form overall range is this, right? Any closure above, it's a clean traffic to move up to retest this high, and any close below, it's a good range to fill the rate to fill the wick on the left hand side here. So let's see if we can move down. Move up is good too. So yeah, I'm open for buys and sells again today. So right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours of consolidations. But we move, man. Look at this. We are consolidating for 8 hours now. Well, the good thing here is we got a range. We have a clean range, right? Clean range. That's a good idea probably, but right now, man, we need to wait. Oh. Oh. Okay. Damn, it's a little bit choppy here on price. Probably can use 30 minutes here. Let's see. We have a structure here too. It's 15. All right, that's gonna be an idea. Let's see if if we can grab a potential. Thousand 170 pip move on the 15. Nice. Volume, we need that volume. Volume. We need that. We need you, volume. Hey. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you drop a like and subs to the channel. Shout out to 9 viewers right now. How you doing? How you feeling? What strategy are you using? I'm using price action. I'm using price action. Candle patterns, candlestick. How to read the candles. And yeah. Dame Goldie. Without us again. Okay. Without us. To do. What's up, Chris? How you doing? How you feeling? Goldie. Without us again. You feel the range. Very cute. Shout out to 12 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Don't be shy to ask. Ask questions. What's up? 15 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Calm down. Ooh, close above. Do we have news? Oh, we got news. ADP tonight. 5:15. PMI. We got PMI too. Nice. PMI. Yes, sir. Mm-mm. Yes, sir. Eric, how you doing? How you feeling? What's up? What's up? How many pips you got from which one? I haven't taken any trades yet. Yesterday, I got 65 pips on the buys here. Impulse buy here on price. We move a lot yesterday, and I see this kind of rejection wicks. So we got one, we got two, we got three, and as you can see here, I enter on the rebroke of the previous candle high here, and then boom, it move up. Man, where's that? What's this? What's my entry point here? 5053. I believe this. Yeah, this one. I believe it's here. No, it's here. Yeah, this was the trade. 65 pip and just got 65, and then man, it moved 800 pip. 1 15 30 1 hour 1 hour and 15 minutes move 800 pip. Holy, if I held that for just 1.5 hour, man, I'm going to make 8 bands. But no, I'm not like that, right? You know that I'm not like that. I'm happy with 65 pip, 30 pips for now, because it's building. It's the way you build the skills. That's how you build the skills. Allah, it's not Allah, bro. Advantage. The advantage there is the volume, right? We have a lot of volume, so I take that advantage, and yeah. 5161 level. Yeah, I no, it's 5053. It was here. Rejections here on price. Because if you can sorry, as you can see here on price, we move a lot yesterday, right? And as you can see, heavy candle moves around how many pip? It was 3,000 pips, right? Almost 4K. And we move massive. It's an impulse move towards to the downside. And I know, right? And I know when we have this kind of momentum, this kind of impulse move, I know that we can at least pull back. I know we can fill the range, right? And as you can see, we fill the range already. So yeah, we can correct the move, because this one has no top wick. As you can see, there's no top wick, so we can probably correct the move. So yeah, that's gonna be the idea. Idea. Missed the trade down due to the yeah, yesterday I believe we missed the move, right? Um when was that? Can we review the yesterday live stream? We were waiting for a sales yesterday, right? We were waiting for, move to happen. Let's see here. Where's that? Gold move down already. Yeah, I guess this. Yeah. 1 minute. It's it's on what do you call this? It's on 5,300 levels too, right? See, no bottom wick, right? We supposed to enter there, but no bottom wick. I don't want to force. Then flip bearish again. Then from there, it start to, from here, it start to move down heavy. See, look at that. See, like, yeah, it's starting to, to have a momentum. But from this kind of, from this kind, I'd say, where's that? From this kind of closure, I believe we don't have any business here. This kind of closure because we didn't close below the range, right? And we got a support level here. So in this case, we need at least the closure below, probably like this, to get the, a clean entry sell. Even though we have a rejection wicks on the left, when we got a volume and then when we got a closure, this kind of wicks, it's gonna be a fill. It's gonna be a wick fill. So yeah, I push down heavy. Holy, see, look at that. Damn, move. Yeah, man. Around 3 5, it's 5 3 area. But yeah, overall, it's a good tap down. It's W analysis yesterday, and we spoke about this hovering daily candles. This candles are hovering yesterday, right? We hover, I believe, like this, and then we spoke about this yesterday. Once we rebroke this previous candle low, we might shoot down, and man, it happens. Rebroke all the lows, rebroke the structure. Now let's see what will happen, right? Let's see if we can flip this daily time frame. I believe we can, you know I believe we can grab at least a bottom wick here. At least we can, flip bearish, grab the bottom wick, and man, decides if this candle decides to move up, it will move up. If this candle decides to move down, it will fill the wick on the left. So yeah, let's see. It's all about momentum. It's all about direction. We're going to see directions on the NY session. Right now, we're just printing side by side here. In the early candles, we are printing side by side for about 8 hours now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. Yeah. But the good thing here in the lower time frame, we got the clean range towards to the upside, towards to the downside, because the higher time frame is consolidating. That's why we got this range. We got this range. We got this range. We got this range. So yeah. Let's see here now. Damn chat. London session chap. We cannot do anything. I cannot do anything here too. We don't need we're not forcing. I don't want to force anything here thing and then take else. No, we're not doing that. Okay. We're done that. We're done. Finish all the things that um is unnecessary things. It's done. All right. That's the past. Right now we're leveling up. We're leveling up. All the things that I made on mistakes on 2025, it's done. I don't want to come back there anymore. And yeah, 2025 journal. Where are you at? This one. Yeah. What? Why it's removed? What happened here? Oh, late. Oh man, that's my. It's copy. Sorry, it's trading journal here. Yeah. So, man, too many mistakes. I mean, it's okay. Lose his part, but all right, be back in the range, man. Be back in the range. I don't like that kind of range. I don't want to buy here. Too many resistance on the left. Holy chat. We stick to the plan. We stick to the plan. No Benos. No pressure. If the market print us choppy, the market will print us choppy. That means no trade. Right? No trade. So, man, too many people are dipping off now. Ooh, one by one. From 17 viewers, right now it's 8 viewers dipping off because they see it's choppy. They don't want to learn. They don't want to practice their patience. They just want to print money. They just want to print. How many trades I took February? I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. And it was 296 296 pip dubs. That's the trade, I got on February. And I made 3,700 US dollar. I made 3,700 in 8 trades. Right? You like that? It's all breakout entry. No, it's I got breakout, I got onion, I have a resistance play. Right? It should be too many onions here. One, two, three, four, five. So it's five onions. I guess support is technically um it's an impulse probably. Wait, it's an impulse trade, and it's an impulse trade. I'm gonna show you how, and then what resistance, right? We got resistance play two here. Yeah. So technically, when we got a lot of volume, and we know that we have, let's say, like this resistance. We have a resistance on the left hand side, and we are in the NY session, or London Open, NYSE Open, and we're tapping, right? So let's say we got a closure. So this kind of closure is very weak, um bullish candle right now. On the, like let's say NYSE Open, if I see the price stops here once again and start to react, and like this, right? Start to react, and then it's probably flipping bearish. I am gonna put sell stop on the rebroke of the low here. I mean current candle low. Why? We have a resistance here, top, reject, react, and the candle retest again, right? The candle retest the resistance again here, but reacted, and we start to flip bearish. That's gonna be an entry because we know that we have a lot of volume on that session. I know that once we rebroke the current candle low, it will push down heavy like this because we have a lot of volume. So yeah, that's the advantage when you know when to trade and when not to trade, especially when the market's open. That's really important, in trading, because you need volume, right? In our strategy, we need volume. We need confirmation volume. Do we have a volume, right? So yeah, I mean that's the advantage. You need to learn the volume wise. So I like to trade with the NY session when the NYS is open. And what's that? What else? Onion. It's onion trade. It looks like this. When we got structure, let's say we're moving down, right? This is the clean range already. So what we're gonna wait here is we're gonna wait for a support form. So what if the support form got here? Now you're gonna wait for the candles to open, right? And then retest once again the high here. Buy stop on the rebroke of the high. That's gonna be an onion. So that's gonna be the setup that I got, right? So yeah, it's all about plans. It's all about how you're going to see your pattern, your setup. It's not just, oh, I'm gonna buy here, I'm gonna sell here. No, you need to follow your rules. You need to follow your plan, and it will take time. Right now we don't have any setup. There's no clean range. There's no clean setup. So that's why we're waiting, right? Waiting for A plus setup, otherwise sitting out. Yeah, that's good. Risk, that's good. Yeah, discipline, patience, practicing that. Yeah, we good. Cheat. Any more questions? So it's okay that on the range, time for onion play go. Yes, 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 yeah. Yeah. If you see that clean traffic, yeah, it's good. Look at this. Okay. I'm gonna show you some onion play. So this is an onion play. All right. So we got we got a range here. So this is the range, right? So as you can see here on price, we got, let's say, resistance, and you have a support form right here, tap the support. And as you can see, you have a new support form. Why? Because the candle closed bullish. So you have a new support form. So right now, what you're gonna wait for the candle to open. So let's say let's see how the candles move, right? Boom. See, look at that. You can enter here on the flip of the candle because it's onion, right? You're gonna wait for the open of the candle, flip of the candle. This is gonna be your trade idea. Let's say your stop loss is gonna be on the support, right? See, this is the onion that I write. That's the onion. So yeah, man. Let's see what will happen next. Boom. Okay. So yeah, pushing up. So yeah, that's how the setup works. You just need to work with that setup, and you're going to be good. Oh, then wala na yung levels. Where's the levels? Oh, no more. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Overall range. To do. Makes sense, right? But you just need to wait for the right setup. You just need to wait for the right setup to come. You're not just, oh, I'm gonna hop onto the chart and then shoulda woulda coulda, taking trade, taking buy, taking sell. No, you just need to wait. Waiting is the name of the game. Trading. Even no wick candle on the previous, it's okay to enter. That's no. You know, onion should work when we got top wick and bottom wick here, like this, because 80%, as you can see, 80% of all the candles has top wick and bottom wick. You know, and we avoid. I'm avoiding no top wick candle. If we're gonna take buy with no top wick candle, you just need, for me, if there is a lot of volume, let's say NYSE open, right? So my rules here, if the candle close, let's say small top wick like this, I need to wait for a bottom wick here. Bottom is taper bottom wick, and if the candle starting to flip bullish, because right now this candle must red, right? It should be red candle. And if this candle starting to flip bullish like this, I am gonna take buy on the rebroke of the high here, because I know we have a lot of volume, direction is there, so I'm gonna ride this. I'm gonna ride the bus. Stop loss should be on the low or in the current candle low. That's it. But on the uh, London session, sometimes we got a lot of volume, but if there's no right direction, if there's no, um, if we're stuck in a range, I'm not, trading this kind of setup. I only take trades when there is a clean range and when there is a lot of volume. It's all about understanding the volume. All right. So that's the key too. But overall, sometimes I'm not trading this kind of no top wick. because I know if we close no top wick, there's no buys for me, right? There's no buys because 80% of probability that this candle will retest again, will reject because we don't have any top wick on price. There's no range to move up. So yeah, man. Any more questions? Any more questions? Bias for the day? I'm still bearish here on price. I'm still bearish on the higher time frame. I'm still bearish here. We broke the structure. I'm still bearish. But I'm open for buys and sell. It depends on the market condition, market structure. If we start to rebroke this high here, yeah, I probably taking buys. We have what we got here. What we got? We got clean range and yeah, it's 440 pip range. It's clean. It's clean. 30 minutes clean. How would you avoid the fake out? Eric, we cannot avoid fake out. You know, we cannot, to be honest, fake out, we cannot avoid fake out. Why? Because we need to, we need to see, let's say if this candle break above, right? This candle break above the range, right? We cannot avoid fake out. So what we gonna do is if we wanna take the trade, It's all about how we can manage the risk. Right? Okay, let's say we got a buy here. We took some buys here on the flip of the candle, and then the candles didn't rebroke the high here on price, and then the candle starting to flip bearish once again here. We're starting to rebroke the lows right now, man. We need to manage risk here. because I know that's gonna be a fake out. So yeah, it's all about how you can manage risk because we cannot avoid fake out. It's really hard, you know, to avoid fake out for me. Yeah. We're breaking the range. Cool. Damn, look at that. No top wick, no bottom wick. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Chat, make sure you like the stream here, all right? Can I see 15 likes in the chat, in the stream? And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel. Do, 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 do. All right. We come back to the range. We came back. 4 minutes for the candle to close. Goldie. Damn, Goldie, relax. Holy Goldie. It's an early open too. Early open. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. One minute for candle to close. Damn, gold. Still pushing. All the smokes. Smokes. Smokers. No bottom wick. We may close. No bottom wick. Hey, hey. 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 Okay, nice. Rebroke the lows. Can we rebroke the high again? We need to see where we're gonna put the stops here. Damn, Goldie. Oh. Oh. Ah. Eey. Damn. Look at that. Rejections. Yeah, man, chat. Um I guess nothing again here today, gang. Yeah, we're trying to have a good setup, and we're trying to have a good entry too, but the market didn't give us a good entry, a nice setup too. But right now, man, call it a stream here. We need to call it stream, and yeah, call it stream, go to the gym, and come back on the NY session probably. So yeah, chat. My timer is up, right? And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow once again here. All right. So keep safe, everybody. Trade safe, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. W's all the way out here. W gang, I'm out. Peace.
I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. Ay, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. Hey, Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. Everything I am, you gave me the strength to do. Hey, Lord, I lift my hands. Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. This is my response for making me brand new. Hey, Lord, I can feel your presence, putting all your peace in me. Lord, I can feel revival, breaking all the captives free. And though it sounds crazy, man, I used to hate me, till I met somebody who told me how he made me, how he died to save me. And if you want the same thing, all you gotta do is just say, Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. Yeah, yeah, everything I am, everything I am, you gave me the strength to do. Yeah, you do. Lord, I lift my hands. Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you.